Ever wondered how your food gets to your table? Imagine technology making it not only efficient, but also solving problems like food waste and helping the environment. In this video, we'll discuss how food production works, here at MechMinds Hub, where knowledge and mechanics combine. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. The preface to agriculture. The farming journey starts on the farm, where modern technology mixes with traditional ways. Tractors are now super high-tech with GPS and telematics, smoothly moving through fields to use the land very precisely. From basic plows to smart tractors, it's a mix of old and new. Automated planters with sensors and data analysis act like soil architects, making plants grow well and helping the environment. Precision farming tools like soil sensors go into the ground to check soil details. This helps farmers make smart choices about watering and using fertilizers, finding a balance between tech and nature. Drones fly above, giving farmers a great view of their fields. They can spot if crops are healthy, find pests or diseases, and check overall plant strength. All these cool technologies bring in a new era of smart farming, where tradition and innovation work together on modern farms. Number 2. Planting and harvesting. Modern farming is like a carefully choreographed performance, especially when it comes to planting and harvesting. Picture huge fields where planting machines, using GPS like a guide, do a precise dance to put seeds in the soil just right. It's not just about using the land efficiently. It's also about growing crops in the best way possible, making sure each seed is in the perfect spot. When it's time to gather the crops, harvesting machines take center stage. Imagine combined with fancy sensors, acting like farming experts, smoothly moving through the fields. These machines, with incredible accuracy, separate the good grain from the parts we don't need, ensuring we get a lot of good food. They not only work really well, but also make sure we don't waste anything, which is great for sustainable farming. This careful dance, guided by technology, not only makes farming more productive, but also fits with the idea of farming in a way that's good for the environment. Number 3. Transforming raw harvest into edible delights. Once the crops are picked, they go through a big change with the help of food processing machines. It's not just a change, it's like a cooking evolution where freshness meets innovation. Imagine a busy processing plant with conveyor belts carrying the harvested goods through washing stations and sorting machines. In this well-organized process, any impurities are removed, and the main focus is on making sure the quality stays consistent. But the story doesn't end there. It goes into more advanced processing machines where blanchers and steamers play a big role. These machines, acting like cooking experts, carefully prepare fruits and veggies for their journey to becoming delicious dishes. Picture blanchers preserving the color and texture or steamers adding a mix of flavors. It's like a cooking dance where machines not only transform raw produce but make it even better, getting it ready for the tasty meals that will end up on our tables. Number 4. Ensuring freshness and safety. Packaging machines act like important guardians, ensuring our food stays good and safe. In this high-tech environment, automated packaging lines perform a complex dance, using innovative ideas to keep food fresh for a long time. Picture a place where machines hum together like a symphony, using technologies such as vacuum sealing to lock in freshness and modified atmosphere packaging, or MAP, to maintain flavors and textures. Smart sensors take charge, carefully checking for any issues that could spoil the food. But it's not just about keeping things fresh. Machines also tell a story. They make sure each product is labeled correctly, following rules and providing consumers with all the information about what's inside. In this packaging story, machines do more than just wrap things up. They ensure quality and safety, and the story is all in check, making sure food travels from the production line to your pantry without any worries. Number 5. Bridging the gap between production and consumption. Getting food from farms to tables isn't just about growing and processing, it also relies on efficient transportation. The core of this system is a fleet of refrigerated trucks, impressive vehicles with climate-controlled systems, working hard to keep produce fresh. Picture these trucks as quality guardians, traveling on highways like culinary caretakers to ensure every vegetable and fruit stay flavorful. But the wonder doesn't end there. It extends to logistics, where automation is crucial. Imagine a coordinated effort where tracking systems keep a close watch on every move of the convoy, giving real-time updates on the location and condition of the cargo. Route optimization algorithms take the lead, creating an efficient dance that minimizes travel time, saves fuel, and ensures deliveries are punctual and dependable. It's more than just transportation, it's a logistical performance where technology and agriculture come together to guarantee that produce reaches consumers efficiently and with the freshness and quality that define the journey from the farm to the table. Number 6. Making sure you know where your food comes from. In today's world, people care a lot about where their food comes from and how good it is. That's where traceability comes in. It's a big part of how food gets from the farm to your plate. Imagine using high-tech systems, QR codes, and something called blockchain, a kind of super secure record keeping, to follow the journey of your food. This openness isn't just about trusting where your food comes from. It also makes sure everyone involved in the process, from farmers to processors to distributors, can quickly figure out if there are any issues and fix them. By looking into how traceability works in the food production system, you get to see the network of information that guarantees the safety and realness of the food we eat. Number 7. Modernizing the shopping experience. Imagine walking into a modern grocery store with quick and automated checkout systems that make buying things fast and easy, getting rid of long lines. This change also happens behind the scenes with inventory management, where tech tools carefully track and organize what's available. Warehouses are now high-tech places with robots doing important tasks quickly and without mistakes, from picking items off shelves to packing orders. The real magic happens with data analytics, silently adjusting inventory levels in real time, preventing shortages, and reducing waste. This tech transformation not only changes how stores work, but also fits with ideas of efficiency, accessibility, and sustainability, making sure the benefits of technology are available to everyone. Despite progress in food production, challenges like food waste, changing weather, and evolving preferences persist. Scientists explore solutions through biotechnology, data analysis, and smart machines, aiming for resilient crops and efficient food systems. Understanding how the food industry addresses these challenges is crucial for lasting solutions. Driven by technology, food production machinery has transformed how we grow, process, and consume food, enhancing efficiency and supporting global food needs. Insight into machinery operations reveals the intricacies of putting food on our tables, highlighting the integral role of innovation and sustainability in the journey from the farm to the table. We trust you've gained valuable insights on how food production works. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting content about technology, innovation, and the behind-the-scenes intricacies of daily lives. Thank you for watching and see you next time.